Here's the thing about drying clothes. The sunny day doesn't always fall on washing day, and with a busy family, it's hard to plan your washing. In other words, it needs to be done when it needs to be done. Countless families face this same challenge week in and week out. There has to be a better way. Fortunately, I think I've just found what you might be looking for. An indoor electric clothesline from Topline Clotheslines. Mounted to the ceiling in your laundry or any room away from the weather, the lightweight yet strong aluminium can hold over 30 kilograms of wet washing. When you're ready to use it, the remote control lowers the line so it's within easy reach for hanging. It comes with safety features so that if there's something in the way, it automatically stops to prevent injury and damage. Today, I caught up with Leslie, a very satisfied customer who will share more about her experience. So Leslie, you've had a Topline clothesline now for 12 months. How have you found it?
I found it amazing. Winter and summer. In the summer, I got my bright clothes that I can hang on to it and they're not going to fade. Winter, I can hang them out in the night before, come home in the evening after work and they're dry. I'm a married celebrant, so I've got clothes I can't put in the dryer and they're also really bright. And I've also had a shoulder operation, so it was fantastic for rehab.
Your very own Topline electric clothesline can be easily installed and ready to use right away. For more information and to see some of the accessories, including pegs and coat hangers, visit the website at toplineclotheslines.com.au.